What's up guys, welcome to my new vlog. आणि आज गणपारावाची की फ्री बसले आहे त्या बाबूला एक निद्याला. सो हांव लेखलें की ह्या फ्री टायमांतू एक व्लॉग करूया आणि तातूंत हांव म्हगेले फेवरेट बेबी एसेन्शियल्स आतां ते यूज केलेले आहे तुमकां दाखयता. बिकॉज वॉट हॅज बीन माय एक्सपिरियन्स आय विल ट्राय टू शेअर दॅट वीथ यू गायज. म्हळ्यार आतां तो 2 मंथ्साचो जाला. सो वॉट एवर आय हॅव बीन युजींग टील नाव सिन्स माय डिलिव्हरी फॉर माय बेबी, that I'm going to share karta. If there is any other new mom or expecting mom, take a video helpful jata hai. I'll tell you my 5 to 6 top favorite products which I have been using for Madhvesh, and I can totally swear by them 100%. Use kar now review santas tumka. First and foremost, sakadapashi important tool since Madhvesh was born are these wipes. So these are Mother Sparsh 99.9, literally 99% pure water wipes, and here unscented, so there is no fragrance, made from natural and plant fabric, and they're very very gentle and very soft. Bilkul tak fragrance na. I tried other brands also, 2-3 brands hadale. For this is the best. हिमालयाचे ट्राय केले, बट हिमालयाचे ते वाइप्स आय डि नॉट लायक ॲट ऑल बिकॉज ताका मस्त फ्रेग्रन्स आसा. दे हॅव पुट ॲलोवेरा अँड सम मॉइश्चरायझर अँड इट स्मेल्स लायक जॉन्सन्स बेबी पावडर ते वाईप लायल्यारी. सो आय डोंट लायक द स्मेल बिकॉज अशी म्हणटात की वाईप्साक अनसेंटेड असल्यारी आणि कसं न्ही मिक्स्ड नसल्यारी इट शूड बी प्युअर वॉटर बेस्ड, so that it does not cause any harm to the baby. So use karta sir. Almost have used more than 10 packets now, and they are totally worth it. So yes, top favorite is Mother Sparsh wet wipes for my baby. Second product is a diaper rash cream from Himalaya. Since he was born, for every diaper change we have used this diaper rash cream, and I can tell you 100% my baby has not got rashes once till now, touch wood, because this cream is really good. Aati hai second cream asa mara, almost one tube is completely over, and a second purchase asa. So I'm very happy with this product. Himalaya's diaper rash cream is 10 on 10. It's very good, and my baby is very comfortable with it. Then there is a baby lotion that is also again from Himalaya. I loved it. It's very good. It's made from olive oil and almond. So त्याची कॉम्बिनेशन आसा. इट्स अ व्हेरी गुड मॉइश्चरायझर अँड माय बेबी फील्स व्हेरी गुड. एकदम स्मूथ फील जाता, एकदम टेक्स्चर लायक आसा, अँड ताका एकदम कम्फर्टेबल आसा स्किनार. इट हॅज नॉट कॉज एनी हार्म टू माय बेबी. अँड येस, whenever you buy any product, it should be any shampoo or anything, you must make sure that that is paraben free. So yes, it is already written here. It is free from parabens, mineral oil, and synthetic colors and silicones. So yes, Himalaya baby lotion is also a very good product. Then I'm not much fond of powders, but why amgele parents got us mummy tank mai powder ghani dela chirdu anka, they're not very comfortable. But ideally, see, I'm not even used half of it. Ekdam rarely when he's very sweaty or very fussy, थोडे पावडर हांव लायता म्हळ्यार माय मॉम पुट्स इट. बट जनरली आय एम नॉट अ फॅन ऑफ पावडर्स. बट येस, अगर तुमकां घालता जाल्यार हिमालया बेबी पावडर इज अ गुड ऑप्शन. इट्स अ नायस वन. तांगेली एक सोप आसा, अगेन इट इज ऑलिव्ह ऑयल एंड आलमंड ऑयल कॉम्बिनेशन. हे एकदम जेंटल सोप आसा. हांव हे यूज केला. वी हॅव बीन युजींग हिम दिस सोप, and also I do not have the bottle right now with me. हांव अविनोचे बॉडी वॉश यूज केले फॉर माय बेबी, and it was very good, very gentle. आणि हिमालयाचे आय एम युजींग head to toe shampoo and body wash. It's a combination. I don't have it right now with me, but Himalaya, I'll just link it in the bio. The Himalaya head to toe body wash is something which is a combination. You can use it for the for hair wash also and for body. It's overall gentle. So right now आम्ही त्या use करत असत for him. So yeah, these products of Himalaya and Mother Sparsh are my top favorites. Yes, and I have been in love with these products. ताजे कधी हांव मेगेल review सांगता आसा. I have liked them and used them, and my baby is very comfortable with these products. Next is the diaper, because it's the main thing. And आता मेगेल बेबी तर समरचा बॉर्न जालेलो. पाप तो एकदम 19th एप्रिलला बॉर्न झाला. एकदम पीक समर जावन तो फुल मे मंथ काढला आम्ही. सो या आय यूज टू गिव हिम अ लॉट ऑफ डायपर फ्री टाइम दिवन सुद्धा, बट आमगे डायपराचे क्वालिटी मस्त लायक असतो का, दॅट इज वॉट आय फील. अँड माय टॉप फेवरेट इज ते मला लागेल ते कवर ना, सो आय एम शोईंग इट इन दिस फोन. Premium Pampers Active Baby Premium Taped Diapers. So these are, it's a yellow color packet अशी दिसते ते, and it is the best diaper by far. ताजे मागीर आम्ही ते पॅन्ट स्टाईल हाडलेले, मे बी मी ओल्ड ब्लॉग पडलेला असल्यार गणेशान सांगिल्ले तो हाडू गेलेलो. आतांय आम्ही तेच यूज करत असत पॅन्ट स्टाईल. इट इज गेटिंग ओवर नाव, बट आय एम स्टील more happy and more comfortable using those taped diapers. So yes, if you have a newborn baby, please go for taped diapers, not for pant styles, because pant style is really not comfortable for newborns. So these are the few products which I wanted to share with you guys, and I'm very happy using them. Yes, so these are my top favorites, and hope you liked this insight, and hope it helps everyone whoever wants to buy these products, and we'll definitely link it below for you guys. And any कोणाके कसन प्रॉब्लेम असल्यारी, any queries असल्यारी, please comment on India. We will be happy to tell you.